Welcome to our channel Learning Tech. Description of the controls and the parts. 1. Female connector for earth connection. 2. Operating open circuit indicator. 3. Reading the memory switch. 4. Timer deactivation button. 5. LCD display. 6. Female connectors fault line conductor. 7. Function switch. 8. Ohm range switch. 9. Operating button. 10. Timer activation key. Used before starting measurements, carefully read the safety advice section. Connecting the test pins. Connect the green, yellow and red test pins to the terminals E, P, and C with the earth rods P1, C1 placed in the ground, in a straight line. Place the function switch onto the ACV position and ensure that the voltage reading is less than 10 volts AC. If not, the accuracy of the earth resistance measurement cannot be guaranteed. If the push-on button is pressed and the operating indicator does not come on, this means that there is an open circuit between the test pins. 200 volts approximately 510 meters tilde. Place the range switch on the appropriate scale and the function switch on position omega. Then press push on and timer ON10 at the same time and read the value on the indicator. Note, when none of the E, P and C terminals is connected to the test pins, a reading between 300 and 600 is normal, in function omega, range 2 kiloohms. Red, yellow, green earth maintenance of earth resistance tester replacing the batteries. The batteries must be replaced when the symbol B appears in the lower left-hand corner of the LCD indicator. 1. Disconnect the test pins from the instrument and switch it off. 2. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw on the rear cover. Slide off the cover, remove the batteries and replace them with new ones of the same type. 3. Replace the rear cover and tighten the screw. Cleaning and storage. Warning. Avoid water getting into the case to prevent electrical discharge or damage to the tester. Periodically clean the case with a soft cloth dampened with water and detergent. Do not use abrasives or solvents. If the instrument is not going to be used for more than 60 days, remove the batteries and store them separately. Please comment if any question. Thanks for watching.